Register for an NFHSLearn account. If you are new to NFHSLearn, the first thing you should do is register for an account. Registering is quick and easy and immediately gives you access to many online courses and educational materials. To make an account, click the Register button in the top right corner. On the following pages, you'll be asked for a unique username and password. This login information will give you access not only to the NFHSLearn site, but also nfhs.org. You will also be asked for your certificate name, which is the name that will appear on your course completion certificates. This could be your name or the name of the person who will be completing the course within the account. You can use either your username or email address to log into the site when you come back in the future. If you ever forget your login information, simply click Forgot Your Password on the sign-in page or contact the NFHS Help Desk at help@nfhslearn.com or 317-565-2023 for assistance.